My little cousin once told me I was built like Mickey Mouse if he never met Minnie. I paused and thought about that all night. I went home and looked in the mirror and wondered, how do I have skinny arms, a flat chest, and still somehow have a belly? Built like I skip meals, but never skip dessert. That's the skinny fat look. With clothes on, you look normal enough. Shirt off, it looks like you spend all day at home, live on DoorDash, and never even heard of a gym. Most guys stuck in that cycle wonder, should I cut? Should I bulk? And they just end up doing a little bit of everything and a whole lot of nothing. But here's the part nobody tells you. Skinny fat is actually the best starting point. It means you have low muscle mass, a little bit of fat, and so much room to transform that the progress is insane once you do the right things. You're not behind. You're not unfixable. You're one simple strategy away from the biggest transformation of your life. And that's exactly what we're going over in this video. Giving you the exact blueprint to go from soft to strong, flat to built, insecure to confident. And if you want to be disciplined all year round, sign up for the Brick Body Brief, which is my free weekly newsletter linked in the description. Let's build brick by brick. Step 1, nutrition plan you can actually stick to. Most skinny fat guys don't struggle because they don't know what to eat. They struggle because they're eating like someone who doesn't train while trying to look like someone who does. Now, it's not about starving yourself. It's not about bulking like a bodybuilder who's 2 weeks out from stepping on stage. And it's definitely not about trying every diet you find on TikTok. What you need is a plan that builds muscle and trims fat at the same time, without the mental gymnastics. Here's the truth. You fix skinny fat by giving your body enough protein to build muscle, enough food to stay full, and slightly fewer calories, so the fat comes off naturally. No extremes, just consistency. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. A, base every meal around protein. This is non-negotiable. Your body is skinny fat for one main reason. You don't have enough muscle to fill out your frame. The way to fix that is to anchor every meal with protein. Not snacks, not simple carbs, not sugary drinks. Protein. Use this rule. 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, or 2.2 grams per kilogram. Why this works. Protein, when paired with lifting weights, builds the muscle you're missing. Muscle increases your metabolism. Higher metabolism means your body burns more calories. Protein keeps you full, so you stop snacking mindlessly. You don't need fancy recipes, you just need consistency. Here are the foods that work every time. Eggs, Greek yogurt, protein shakes, chicken, turkey, fish, lean ground beef, tofu, or beans. If your main meals hit their target protein, everything else becomes easier. B, keep your diet mostly clean. Skinny fat guys usually eat like this. Barely eat all day, then eat everything at night. Grab random snacks, liquid calories everywhere. Nothing wrong with any of those here and there, but when it's constant, fat sticks to your stomach fast. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% whole, clean foods, 20% real life. That means 80% equals protein, potatoes, rice and oats, fruits and vegetables, simple, unprocessed meals. 20% equals a burger when you're out and in a rush, a dessert at family dinner, or chips during a game night. When 80% of your intake is solid, your body finally understands what you're trying to do. You won't feel starved, you won't feel restricted, and you'll stop bouncing between cutting and binging. C, food awareness. The main reason you're still stuck is because you have zero awareness of what you're consuming. You think you're not eating that much, or you think you're getting a lot of protein, but in reality, you're not truly conscious of what you're eating. Skinny fat isn't just a calorie problem, it's an awareness problem. And here's the truth. Once you're aware of what you've actually been eating, your entire body starts to change. But if you tried tracking, by day 3, you're exhausted from typing, searching, estimating, guessing, and that's when consistency slips away. A good app to use to actually know what you're eating without feeling like you're working is called Cal AI. It makes nutrition tracking feel effortless. You just take a picture of your meal, and within seconds, it breaks down your calories, protein, carbs, and fats automatically. And honestly, it shocked me how accurate it is. It nails the main ingredients almost every time. When I cook with something sneaky like oil or butter, yeah, I still double check. But even then, adding anything manually takes only a couple taps. And if you're the type who wants full control, it also has a massive database with thousands of foods. You can pull up exact nutrition info for nearly anything you eat, even restaurant meals. My favorite part, though, is the barcode scanner. If you grab a quick snack late at night, you don't have to guess or search anything. Just scan, log, done. No stress, no friction, no excuses. Because when you remove the hard part, the right part becomes easy. And once your nutrition becomes easy, your results stop being random. They become predictable, consistent, guaranteed. If you want to test it out, the link is in the description, and you can use the code BRICKBODY for 3 free days. It seems small, but tracking the right way can completely change how you eat and who you become. Step 2, workout. If you want to escape being skinny fat, this is the step that needs to happen. Build muscle. Because muscle is the engine that burns the fat. Most guys don't prioritize this. They try to shrink themselves smaller instead of building themselves bigger. But the problem with skinny fat isn't just the fat. It's the lack of muscle underneath. A. Build muscle. Once you understand that building muscle is the path to success, the question becomes, how do I actually build it fast? There are only 3 things you need to master. 1. Train with intensity. If your last few reps don't burn, shake, or make you question your life choices, they aren't doing nothing. Muscle grows when you push it to the edge, not when you go through the motions. Most skinny fat guys think they're training hard, but they're really just stopping early. Your body only builds muscle when you give it a reason. That reason being going until you can't anymore. This tells your body, we ain't strong enough for the task at hand, so we need to grow more muscle to prepare for next time. 2. Use simple exercises that actually work. You don't need 20 different movements or fancy cables. You need the basics that force your whole body to grow. A push, bench press, incline dumbbells, or push-up variations if you're at home. A pull, rows, lat pull-downs or pull-ups. A leg drive, squats, lunges, or leg press. And then sprinkle in arms and shoulders. The basics build 90% of your physique. Everything else is noise until later. 3. Progress every week. Progression is the one principle people ignore the most, but need the most. If you did 30-pound dumbbells for 10 reps last month, and you do 30-pound dumbbells for 10 reps again this month, congratulations, nothing happened. Your muscles had 0 reason to grow. Add a rep. Add 5 pounds. Add control. Add depth. Any form of progression counts, as long as something improves. Beginners can progress every week if they train hard enough. That's why your first 6 to 12 months should be the most exciting time of your life in the gym. The gains are fast, visible, motivating, and sometimes feel unreal. You're not stuck for being skinny fat. You're primed for transformation. B. Cardio. Skinny fat isn't just about how you look. It's about how little you move. Most skinny fat guys don't realize they're tired all the time, sluggish, foggy, and eating out of boredom because their body has 0 baseline activity. When you barely move, your body barely burns. That's why even small meals can start collecting around your stomach. You're simply not giving your body enough movement to burn the calories you eat. But the moment you add consistent cardio, even something as simple as walking daily, everything starts to shift. Your energy goes up, your appetite stabilizes, your body stops holding on to every calorie, and your fat loss speed finally matches your effort. And here's the part beginners don't realize. You don't need intense cardio. Even 8 to 10,000 steps per day can completely rebuild your metabolism from the ground up. Because movement isn't just a tool for fat loss. Movement is momentum. Cardio makes everything else easier. Lifting, eating clean, sticking to the plan. Feeling like you're actually back in control. That's why cardio isn't a punishment. It's your foundation. Skinny fat isn't a curse, it's a crossroads. Most people stay stuck because they overthink instead of taking the next step. But those who stay ready, who keep showing up, who build brick by brick, find themselves renewed with strength they didn't know was in them. Strength doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. It comes from choosing discipline over doubt. And it comes from believing there's more in you than what you see in the mirror today. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. And if you want deeper breakdowns, exclusive workouts, and behind-the-scenes game plans, become a channel member. It supports the channel and keeps these videos coming. Also, we just launched Brick Lady, a new channel dropping fitness, mindset, and lifestyle content very soon. If you know any women starting their own journey, send it their way. Don't forget to sign up for the free weekly newsletter and to download Cal AI using code BrickBody. I'll see you in the next one.